a small pattern using turtle. So now if you don't have turtle, there's a bunch of videos on YouTube. Go ahead and follow that. Anyways, so after you've installed turtle, this is what you gotta do. Import turtle as, sorry, got that spelling wrong a little bit, as t dot speed, as you can see over here. I'm a little bad with spelling. T.bg color there, and now you can choose really whatever background color you like, but I think I'm gonna go with the black as it looks good. After that, t.color. If you're asking why we're using t, that's because we imported turtle as t. Alright, so now we don't have to go turtle.speed. Instead, we can just use t.speed. Anyways, you go ahead and type whatever color you want the pattern to form in. So, but I'm gonna go with aqua. You can really just choose any color, but make sure it's different from a background color, because otherwise it's not gonna you're not gonna be able to see it. After that, you go for I in range 170 t dot circle y 5 t dot lift. Oh, got the spelling of circle wrong here. I really am terrible at spelling. Just go 5. You can really just choose any here, but 5 is a good amount because we don't want it to be too much and too little. Then you just go t dot done. So now you can just run the program. And there you go. Enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe.